morning. Without wasting time, we will start. So we have discussed about the cables. We know the different insulating materials used for the cable. We know the different types of conductors used for the cable. We know the different types of insulating materials, their properties. We know the different conducting materials, their properties. We know the construction of cable. We know the type of the cable. We know the layers of cable. We know the particular appropriate use of cable. So this already we have discussed. With this basic background, we will move to the design, estimation and costing of ST and LT cables for overhead and underground systems of distribution. So how to prepare estimation for overhead lines, how to list out the materials for estimation for the overhead lines, how to prepare the list of materials used for underground lines, how to prepare the list of materials for underground line, how to find out the costing of the overhead line elements, how to find out the costing of the underground line elements. So some material that list that is prepared, which is you have to prepare as per the market, but we have here the general list which we have normally the material required for overhead. So we must have some as I told you, some plan or requirement in our mind, and you must prepare the list accordingly. So you must have the length of line as per your plan. You must have the span between the poles as per the design in meters. You must have the number of pole calculated. Number of pole calculated. Any doubt? Achha. Okay. So number of poles you have to calculate. Number of the length of line you have to calculate. You know the length of line. Span you have to calculate for different types of poles. Then number of poles, span, their total length divided by span. So calculate the number of poles. Calculate the cross arm numbers with size. You must have the length of earthing wire, GI earthing wire, galvanized iron wire, insulators, type of insulator required, pin, shackle, suspension, whatever, stay assembly, gay assembly, insulators, related things, lightning arresters, then GI wire, 8 HWG, 14 HWG, earth bird guards, wooden guards, anti-climbing, the barbed means जे आपण कंपाऊंड साठी वायर वापरतो, that is length of ACSR conductors, then danger plates, then you may have the binding wire for the insulator, then some miscellaneous items, sundries, labor charges, unforeseen charges, supervision charges that we have to consider in general. So taking into the consideration of all these, you must go for the market survey, find out the rates of different items of different manufacturers, do the comparison, find out the list, do the costing, so that you can do. A simple example here it is given. Example number 4.1. An overhead distribution line of 440 volts, 3 phase 50 Hz is passing straight 300 meter in city along roadside. Taking span of 50 meter. Estimate out the materials required. Give details in tabular form. Draw pole and show the wires connected through shackle insulator at start. So these are the things what we have. Then so wires you have RYB neutral 3-phase 4-wire system. Okay, 400 volts, 440 volts supply is there. Then you can have the particular assembly of the pole structure. Normally steel tubular poles are used for the distribution line in cities. So steel tubular pole. Then you may have the provision of the elements on this particular pole. In the sample form it is shown one particular pole. So the provision of the insulator, the shackle insulator, tubular pole, these are the shackle insulators. Is it visible to you? Shackle insulator, clamp it is provided to fix the insulator and then conductor. So every pole having 3-phase, so R, Y, B, 3 shackle insulators with clamp arrangement and conductor. Okay. Then you may have neutral wire. So this neutral wire with insulator. So neutral wire, shackle insulator. Then you may have earth wire, 8 SWG, guard wire. So earth wire particularly 8 SWG. Then stay wire for supporting the structure, stay wire, mild steel. Okay. Normally up to 400 volt, 440 volt we are using shackle type insulator so that you can have the provision of the conductors for the voltage level of 400 volt, 440 volt and the current as per the load provided. Then you can have the length of line. It is given to you. Length of line 300 meter and span is of 50. So calculate the number of poles. Calculate the number of poles. The length is 300 meter. Distance between two poles, that is span, is 50 meter. So 300 divided by 50. 6 number of poles. So 6 number of poles are there. 6 number of spans are there. Number of poles is equal to number of span plus 1. 7 तुम्हाला पोल लागतील, 6 plus 1. Okay. Then you may need ACSR conductor wire. Length is 300 meter. You may have 4 conductors R, Y, B and neutral. So 300 into 4 this, or you may have 1505 meters. Okay. Then you can have the sag. If you consider the sag, then you have to add plus 100 or 200 meters. So that you can do. Okay. So you can calculate the length of conductor. You may have the number of insulators. 5 insulators are required per pole. Number of insulating pin for 5 insulators into 5, 25. So like this you can have the list of material or estimation of the material. You can do it. So steel tubular pole number 7, ACSR conductor wire 3800 meter. You may consider 5 to 10 meter extra. SCSR street light wire. Street light wire it is also asked to provide here in your problem. So street light wire 300 meter, earth wire 300 meter, considering 3 meter extra. Shackle insulators number 10, pin type insulators 25, GI clamps as per requirement, GI wires 4 number. Okay, stay insulators, reed insulators for each pole 12 numbers, LT cable box fitting, nut bolt, eye screws, street light with complete fitting, civil work, foundations, danger plates, miscellaneous. So like this you can do. You can take you may have any remark you can write over here. So like this you can do the estimation of the material part, particularly the street light for 300 meter run of the distribution line in CT. It is given. Okay. Any doubt? So very simple, you can solve the problems. Distribution line. Once you must have the picture in front of you. Okay. You must have picture in front of you. Once you have picture in front of you, you can do this. You can easily do this. One simple problem it is given over here. You can have multiple problems. You will have the assignments particularly for this. Okay. तुम्हाला